Hello guys. Welcome my channel. This channel about car price, car news update, car interior and exterior, car detail review and all automotive the world. Please subscribe this channel, like and comment. Thanks you. Model preview. The Hyundai Santa Fe will likely return for the 2023 model year as a carryover model, with a potential redesign in the model year 2024. Any changes would likely be limited to option shuffling around the trim levels, with nothing major in store. Regardless, we expect it to continue to be one of the best midsize SUVs you can buy in 2023, just as it is now. The Santa Fe has a smart-looking but ultimately busy exterior style, with textured panels and a split grille, and 2 layers of headlights that give way to creases and sculpting as you move towards the back. Inside is a better story, with a handsome dashboard and quality materials. Options can make it even better, with available Nappa leather and other touches that can make it feel like a luxury car. The Santa Fe is currently offered with 4 different engine configurations. Most models get a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter 4-cylinder with 191 horsepower, but the top trim levels get a turbocharged 2.5-liter 4-cylinder with 281 horsepower. There are also hybrid and plug-in hybrid versions of the Santa Fe which both use a 1.6-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder mated to an electric motor. However, these hybrid powertrains are not the same. The standard hybrid uses a 1.49 kWh battery pack and a 44.2 kilowatts motor, while the plug-in hybrid utilizes a larger 13.8 kWh battery pack and a 66.9 kilowatts motor. All models of the Hyundai Santa Fe include a wide range of active safety features including adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring, steering assist, rear cross traffic alerts, safe exit warning, and rear seat alert. Higher-end models get highway driving assistance, a blind spot camera, and parking sensors. Pricing and release date. We haven't heard anything about a release date, but we'd expect it to be in the fall. Global supply chain issues may push that back, but we aren't certain of anything yet. As this is likely the last model year for this generation, we'd expect Santa Fe prices to remain about the same. Currently, they range from $28,625, including destination, to $42,185.